In this video I'm going to be making some aluminium dice out of these little aluminium squares, 4mm thick. Got enough to make two, so a pair. I did a steel version of this quite a long time ago, and just thought I'd do an aluminium version. Alright, so I've got enough to make two, and I'm just going to mark all these out and drill them first. Now I can scribe all my marks on one side, drill them, and then I'll use the other side, which will be the outer side, so you won't see any scribe marks or anything on it. So I'm just going to pick the best sides of these. So we've got one that's been cut a little bit wonky and it's a little bit short, so we'll have a bit of a gap to fill there, but I'm sure we can manage it. Alright, so I'm going to drill all these now. I think I'm just going to do a 10mm hole in all of them. So I use this block of wood just so that the alley will grip on it and I can hold it with my hands instead of having to clamp it down. I wouldn't recommend doing it with steel because it's much more likely to grab and this just start flying around and muller the end of your fingers. So I want to countersink these on the side that's going to be facing up, but I can't because I've lost my countersink. I'll go and buy another one. I can do that at the end once I've actually finished it. I can just go around and just countersink those. But so I've just got a right angle set up on here. I'll just clamp these on, get a couple little tacks on them. And also, when I made the last one, I didn't get the numbers correct. Apparently the opposite sides are supposed to add up to 7 all the time. Just going to clean these up with acetone. This is like a Scotch-Brite wheel, which I've only used on aluminium. I just use this to clean all the edges, probably just clean the whole thing up with it. Got these all cleaned up, ready to go. So just got to work out which ones go where and then get them tacked up. So this, when I'm welding this, you can see all the crap that's like cooking out of it whilst I'm welding it. Doesn't look so bad on the camera, but when you're actually welding it, it's really not welding very nice. I'm not actually sure what type of alley this is or how it's been cut, whether it's because I haven't cleaned these edges back and whether it's just cooking all the dirt out from the cuts. I'm trying to file this next one a bit better just to see if I can get it to weld a bit nicer. It feels like quite a hard aluminium when I'm filing it, so, or if you're in America, aluminum. Right, so I got them all welded up, but I was having real trouble with every time I dipped the filler in. I was getting this like blob of snot hanging off the filler. So like as you were going along, you could keep the filler right in the groove, and it would sort of weld right, and then when you get to the end, you'd have to try and flick it out really quick, otherwise you would just get like that, which I've got there. So I'm not sure what this is. I did a little test piece just to check that it wasn't just me doing something or somewhere I had the machine set, but I think whatever this is almost like it was contaminating the filler as I was dipping it in, but I'm going to sand all this off anyway, so not that it actually makes any difference, but smoothed off version, which I like. Or with the welds left on it, what do you reckon? I'm going to be giving one of these away. Couldn't find my countersink, so I'll have to get some new ones, but I just opened it out with a step drill, let the next step of the drill countersink it a little bit, and it just looks better, looks more finished. So there's a few deep scratches in this, but I'm going to give it a little bit of a polish. Smudged all my polishing with my grubby hands. Alright, done. Not perfect, there's a few marks and stuff in it, but it's handmade, it's not supposed to be perfect. So this one's going to be a giveaway on my Patreon site. Too cold to be in here now. Back on the mongrel tomorrow. Some more tubes should be turning up so I can get the rest of the cage finished off. And that'll be another job out the way on that. So that's it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.